am Charles Fleischer, the Dragon Naturally Speaking Pro, and today I'm going to share with you some very important commands and tips for correction and for when you make mistakes. Because although Dragon Naturally Speaking is incredibly accurate at recognizing people's voices, especially if you've talked to it for a little while, it's going to make mistakes, just like you would if you were typing. So the first one I'm going to show you is the undo command, which will basically reverse the last thing you did. Whether you typed it or whether you spoke it, you can click undo and it will revert to the document the way it was before the last thing you did or said or typed. So of course we're going to start by waking up the microphone. Wake up. Select paragraph. Press delete key. Undo that. Select next paragraph. Select next paragraph. Cut that. Undo that. Select all. Press delete key. Undo that. Stop listening. Mouse click. So you see that this is an amazingly powerful feature. You can completely wipe out your document if you haven't saved it, and all you have to do is click undo and it will come back. Of course, if you delete it and then you type something on top of it, you'll have to hit undo maybe a couple of times, but still it's an amazing feature for correcting and editing and saving yourself if you made a mistake. So once again, I am Charles Fleischer, the Dragon Voice Recognition Pro, and I hope you go to my YouTube channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you can get lots of tips about using Dragon Voice Recognition, or you can visit my website and get my entire Quick Start e-course that'll give you a quick and efficient way to get started using voice recognition with no mumbo jumbo, just right to getting to work. See you soon.